Hey, we're now on to solving linear equations, and a bit like the previous two parts of this chapter, number and algebra, which were number and the number system, and simplifying equations. Solving linear equations is a big part of the standard GCSE course. Okay, so it's really broad, right? Solving linear equations, there's a lot of different examples that it could be. So what I'll do again, I'll just go through, in this case, there's two examples in the book that I'll go through, but it's really just important, I put up here again, that you just practice the questions on exercise 1C, okay? And you just really make sure you get this because, again, I will not be going through this in my intervention classes because it's more recap from GCSE and we won't really have time to go through it. And these are like basic fundamental skills that you need to have. So just exercise 1C, really practice the questions. If you need any help, of course, intervention, and you can always comment the question number that you're stuck on and we'll go through them. I'll go through a couple of examples, but that's going to be it for solving linear equations because it's a really broad topic, okay, and it's recapping really the stuff from GCSE, and these are like core skills that we need to have. So yeah, it's important we practice the questions on there. So that is pretty much it for this video. I will read the first paragraph, which is from the book, but I think it's quite nice to be thinking about how we solve linear equations. And it says, linear equations can be solved in different ways. The final answer will always be the same, regardless of the method used. Okay? And you'll see what I mean by that as we go through. The only rule to remember is that whatever is done to one side is also done to the other side. So this stuff is probably ringing bells from just your standard GCSE course and your maths from your earlier days. Okay? With practice, you will probably omit some of the working. So you'll kind of work out what methods to jump straight into, what's going to be more effective, what's going to be less effective. Okay, but that's it for an intro to this. And then we'll look at example 1, which is from the textbook at solving this equation. Okay.